Hi, y'all. Welcome to the Happier Attorney, the channel where we as attorneys discuss how you can have a happier life as an attorney and a practice that fits you, and specifically how we can adjust the way we approach things, our mindset. So on this channel we talk specifically about mindset, about soul set, and about flat fees, because flat fees are a critical part of being able to craft your practice that works for you. And this month we are going to be talking about why flat fees are best for our clients. And specifically, we're going to go through different areas that you can really know like the back of your hand to deal with how others think about flat fees. Okay? So when we're talking about why flat fees are best for the client, your first question might be, well, great, but why should I care? Well, hopefully you are watching this because you're a good attorney and you really do care about your clients and you really do what is in their best interest and want what is in their best interest. And flat fees absolutely are in their best interest. But let's just say you care about your clients, but you're like, oh, what's in it for me? Well, here's why caring about your clients is best for you as well. Flat fees are not new. Flat fees are how attorneys charge for their services up until about the 50s and 60s, actually maybe 70s. It's in my book. I forgot the exact date, but hourly fees are actually not that old. Flat fees are how we used to charge. But in the legal profession, people have forgotten that. And so flat fees are this new, scary thing, right? And so part of my work is to start the communication with our field of why flat fees are great. And part of that is that they are really best for our clients. And so the more that the Bar Association gets on board with flat fees and that judges understand flat fees and the public understand flat fees, that will help it become more normal in the culture where people aren't like, oh, you use flat fees. Okay. So, and a big part of that is to have them understand why flat fees are best for clients. So here's the first reason that flat fees are best for our clients. Go back to why your client is in your office. Why are they there? What is the core reason they're there? I can tell you they're not there to buy your time. They could care less about how long something takes. What they care about is that their problem is solved, or that the pain that they are in is minimized or eliminated as soon as possible. Absent a strategic reason, obviously, don't over-attorney this and think of all the reasons why you wouldn't want to go quickly on a case. Just bear with me. Put yourself in the client's position. They want the thing. If it's a transaction, they want it done. They don't want to spend more time on this than necessary. And why flat fees work really well when you understand your client wants the thing, or they want the pain to go away, they want the risk to go away. And what is that? That's feelings. They want to feel better. They want to feel more secure. They want to feel more peace, whatever the situation is. So flat fees, when you are using flat fees well, you are approaching a matter or a case completely different. With hourly fees, you're approaching it as what needs to be done. What is the next thing in the process? With flat fees, you're not thinking about the process. You're thinking, what can I accomplish? What can I get done? What wonderful thing can I do for this client, and how fast can I get it done? So if you're doing criminal law, for instance, you're not thinking, okay, what's the next hearing, and I'll prepare 2 days before the hearing, and blah, 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 blah. You're not thinking like that with flat fees. You're thinking, oh, this person was just charged with a crime. They want that pain minimized. So how can I do that and as quickly as possible? So with flat fees, you're calling the prosecuting attorney, who you already have a good relationship with because you're a good attorney and you do good work and you're reasonable and you're not a jerk. And you call and you make a deal. I just had a student, this exact same process. Client hired her and she had a plea deal, a good plea deal, felony down to a misdemeanor with a elimination of the protection order that so he could see his child. 2 days. 2 days. That's what flat fees do. They incentivize you to get it done and get it done fast and move on. And what could be better for the client? Seriously, if we are concerned about what is best for our client, I don't see an argument that flat fees, when they are done properly, are not far superior to hourly when we are talking about what is actually best for our clients. So this is week 1. We're talking about how flat fees are best for our clients this entire month. So please keep watching. Each week we'll have a new reason why flat fees are great for our clients. And as always, if you are an attorney, I would invite you to apply to join Attorney and Flat Fees on Facebook. It's a great Facebook group where we are only attorneys and law students who discuss flat fees and mindset and how we can use flat fees. So as always, again, if you have found value from this video, please like, subscribe, share so that other attorneys can see this and learn from it as well. So thanks and take care.